Okay, I'm back. Part two. Alright, so AAS, angle, angle, side. Alright, they're giving us two angles. Angle E and angle B, angle A and angle D. So now we need a side. Well, it has to stay in that order, remember? AAS. So angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Okay, so we look down here and we see AC and DF. Okay, so A and C and D and F is going to be our side. We have our two angles. We need our side. So that's going to be AC and DF. Now you might say, well, how come I can't go angle, angle, and then this side? Angle, angle on this side. So BCEF. You could, but that's not a choice. Okay? They got BC as a choice, but they don't have EF as a choice. It's DF, so that wouldn't make sense. So you could go angle, angle, side, but they don't have that choice. The only choice they have is side AC and side DF, AC, DF. That's why it's AC and DF, because that's the only side they give you a choice of. Okay, so moving here. Okay. Angle, angle, side. They give you an angle and they give you a side. So we need another angle. This time the side is AC and XZ. So we need an angle, then a side. Okay, so angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Okay, so B and Y. B is our angle, then our angle that they gave us already right here. A and X, they already gave us those angles. And they already gave us the sides, AC and XZ. They already gave us that. So we just have to find the angle. Here's the angle, B and Y. So it's angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. Okay, let's go to 8. Okay, what else needs to be good? Okay, so now they got side, angle, side. Okay, and they gave us one of the sides and they gave us one of the angles. So we have to do it in that order. We have to do a side, then an angle, and then a side. Okay? So our first side is right here, with these little lines. So it's it's side, angle, and then side. Side, angle, side. So it's AC and DF, AC and DF. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Okay, what do they give us here? Here they give us two sides. Here's the side, A and B, AB, DE. AB and DE, they give us two sides. AC and DF, AC and DF, they give us two sides. Side, angle, side. So we have to find the angle. What is the angle in between these two sides? It's A and D. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So it's A and D. That's the angle that's in between the two sides. Side, angle, side. Okay, let's just go to this one. Okay, side, angle, side. This time they gave us a side and an angle, so we have to find another side. So what's our side? What's our angle? C and F. So C and F. And then they give us a side, and we have to find another angle. So side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Okay, side, angle, side. Nope. Oh, forget everything I just said on this one. Okay, I didn't look close enough first. Okay, so side, angle, side. I don't know what I'm thinking. So it's side first. Ugh, get off there. Side and then angle. Ugh, side and then angle. Sorry for messing you up. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Okay, so side and then an angle, then a side. A side, an angle, and a side. So side, angle, side. So they gave us this one, so we got to find the next one. So that's B and C, E and F. B and C, E and F is the other side to make it side, angle, side. Getting tired. Okay, so, whoops. Okay, so Side-side angle guarantees congruence between two triangles. No. You need more information than that. Okay? You need more information than that to tell you if the triangles are exactly the same. You need like 4 things. Okay? This one. Side-side angle does not. That's true. It does not guarantee it. They like to play with the words. Okay? Side-side angle does not guarantee congruence between triangles. That's true. It doesn't guarantee it. Okay? This one. Okay? If any 2 sides and any angle are congruent in the 2 triangles, then the triangles must be congruent. False. You need more than 3 measurements. That's 3 measurements. You need at least 4 measurements. Okay, that's only 3 measurements. Okay. Angle, angle, angle. Does that guarantee that the triangles are the same? No, because you need how many measurements? You need 4. Okay, you need 4 measurements. Okay. Does angle, angle guarantee? No, it doesn't guarantee it. No, it does not guarantee it because you need what? Once again, 4 measurements. Okay. Okay, and then they want to get tricky with the words to mess with your head. Okay, angle, angle, angle does not guarantee congruence. That's true. It does not guarantee because you need 4 measurements. That's only 3 measurements. All right. Hopefully this helped.